It begins in the open fields, where quality is carefully selected from nature. Each animal is carefully evaluated to ensure premium-grade sourcing standards.
Easy now, walk on up. That's a good boy. Nice and steady.
The journey continues towards specialized processing facilities. The journey continues towards specialized processing facilities. Every shipment enters a structured industrial processing line. Inside the facility, transformation begins with precision and control. The supply chain is activated, ensuring controlled movement toward processing facilities. Every vehicle moves under strict monitoring for secure material transport. Only verified shipments are permitted into the processing ecosystem. The raw materials reach the heart of industrial transformation. Automated systems begin guiding materials into structured processing lines. The first stage of organized separation prepares materials for refinement. Inside the facility, preparation begins for precision processing. The facility stands as a controlled hub of industrial leather production. Every entry is verified to maintain strict production traceability. Trained teams prepare for highly controlled industrial operations. Logistics flow seamlessly into structured production zones. The core transformation begins beyond the entrance corridors. Materials are distributed across specialized processing channels. Everything is staged precisely before transformation begins. The first purification stage removes all external impurities under strict control. Powerful systems ensure every surface is thoroughly cleaned. Humidity control ensures optimal material consistency. Only refined material advances to the next transformation phase. Skilled technicians classify materials for premium processing. Controlled drainage prepares material for precise drying stages. Preparation completes as materials approach the transformation stage. The transformation begins as raw material enters the controlled tanning process. Precision rotation ensures uniform absorption of treatment agents.
Careful neutralization prepares the leather for structural refinement.
Each stage stabilizes the material for long-term durability. Balanced humidity ensures perfect flexibility and durability. The material is refined into consistent texture and strength. Now prepared, the material advances into precision finishing systems. Precision systems begin shaping the material into usable components. Every piece is cut with exact measurements for premium assembly. Each component is organized for flawless construction flow. The jacket begins to take form through structured assembly. Critical areas are strengthened for long-lasting durability. Structure and form are locked into the premium silhouette. The material stabilizes into its final structural form. Automation now takes control, guiding every piece with precision. Each product is aligned for exact structural verification. Advanced sensors ensure every detail meets premium standards. Micro adjustments refine each piece to perfection. The surface gains its final premium finish under controlled treatment. Human expertise confirms what machines have perfected. Every edge is refined to achieve a flawless premium outline. Conditioning treatments enhance durability and natural finish. The material absorbs quality into its very structure. Functional details are installed with absolute precision. Structural integrity is locked into every seam. The final form is perfected under controlled shaping systems. Now stabilized, the product advances toward final validation. Every jacket enters the final stage where perfection is scientifically verified. Durability is measured under strict mechanical stress conditions. Each surface is challenged to ensure long-lasting performance. Protection against moisture is confirmed under controlled simulation. Extreme conditions ensure the material remains structurally stable. Every product is verified to meet international safety standards. Human expertise gives the final confirmation of excellence. Every product is carefully prepared to preserve its premium form. Protection ensures quality remains untouched until final delivery. The final transformation begins as each jacket is prepared for global distribution.
Each item is uniquely identified for complete traceability.
Advanced logistics systems organize global distribution with precision. Products are prepared for departure across international markets. And this is how modern factories produce premium jackets from start to finish.